So a quick video to show another way to work with lists of static content inside the context of another article or a product. So if you're creating like an ESC news article or any kind of content, a really simple way to get the content on the page is by using in page mode the insert button. So I'll click insert and then I'll go find some content, like for example here's an existing content item that I've already created using a quick action or using some other way to create content, and I'll drag it onto the page. And just as before, we need to select a display view, so I'll go select the right display view for this content. And here we can see the title and the teaser or the main image, and this is all coming from the attributes available in that display view. But a really nice way to work with lists of content from preview is to simply add those links here. So for example, I can put something like this, a list of latest documents on some subject. And then I can put in the title of the document, like the one we did before. And then I can highlight that, and then I can link it right inside the preview. So I'll highlight that, and I'll go to links, and I'll link it to, for example, a file, a URL, a content item, a channel, or a page. In this case, we'll link it to a URL, the same ones we were using before. So I'll paste the HTTP link for a document here, and I'll set the optional settings like I did before, the alt text and the behavior, new window, special browser settings, all the things that we did before I can turn on, which is convenient. So I'll set the window name to something useful, and then the width I'll set to 800 by 600. And I'll allow maybe resize control, scroll bars for example. And I'll make sure my link is okay, my link text and my link, I'll click OK. And it adds that link right inside the body of the content item. So here I can then choose to save, I'll click the save button, and leave the edit mode. And then that'll have the same behavior, leave edit mode, there we go. That'll have the same behavior as the other link. I made a few other options there. I added the scroll bar and I put in the menu, and then resize is now allowed, so I can resize this and it'll automatically adjust. So the difference between the first way, which is just linking in a text component, and the second is that the links are in a single content item. And that might be more easily managed because you know which content item the links are in, and then you can maintain that and drag and drop it onto the list here. So that's yet another way to work with static links.